So yes, sir.
Okay, construction. First question. Construct. We'll start from the second question. Okay. Sorry, first question. What
Okay,
is
sir.
given here? What are the values? AB is equals to
Uh,
4.3.
A is equals
Okay,
to
what are we supposed to construct, students? What are we supposed to construct? Construct what?
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral, sir.
Construct a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. How many sides a quadrilateral has?
Four sides.
Right.
It has four sides. Look, this is what you're supposed to do. Four sides: A, B, C, and D. And one angle is given, right? What is one angle? Angle ABC is 75 degrees. So this should be our output. Our result should be like this. This is the diagram, either like this or like this, but it should be four-sided figure. Last year you all had only till construction of triangles, right? Only three figures, three-sided figure. Okay, now look at this. What's the value of AB given? AB is equals to 4.3. What is BC?
5.4 centimeters.
5. What about CD?
5 centimeters.
Okay, and DA is 4.6. 4.8. What's the angle given? Angle
ABC is equals to 75 degrees.
ABC is equals to 75 degrees. These are the values given. They have given us four sides and one angle. And the angle should always be drawn on the base. For example, if I take a straight line, the angle should always be on the base, either left hand side or right hand side. Okay. So what is the angle given, students? Angle ABC, what's the value given? ABC is equals to 70.
75 degrees.
Okay, what is the value of this? What's the middle term?
B, sir.
B. So B should be on the base, right? Somewhere on the base, either left hand side or right hand side. Then only you can construct 75. Understood this concept? What is the
Yes.
middle term here? B.
So B, sir.
So B should be on the base. If it is on the base, then only you can construct 75. If not, in a quadrilateral, if I write A here, B here, C and D. Where is B? Is B on the base?
So no, sir, it's not on
Is
the
it
B.
possible to construct here 75 degrees?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, it is impossible. Okay, it's not impossible. You can construct, but it becomes difficult. So we always prefer the angles to be on the base. Okay, now if angle is on the base B, where is B present in this four values? Where is B present?
Sir, AB and BC.
So AB and BC, sir.
AB and BC. So you can take either AB or BC, right, as a base line.
So you should take BC.
Yes. Okay, which is greater out of these two? Which is greater? BC.
So BC is greater.
So you're supposed to take BC as the base. That is the concept. If you don't understand this, instead of this, you take some other base, you won't be able to construct. 5.4. Okay. So take BC as 5.4. Draw a baseline, students. Take BC as 5.4. I want all of you to do this. This chapter,
Yes,
you'll
sir.
get it for 7 or 8 marks for your final exam. 7 or 8. Definitely 7, 2 questions for 4 marks. You can easily score 8 marks, 7 to 8 marks from construction chapter. This is the exercise you'll have, right? 18D. 18D, first main you'll have 3 questions, second main 2, third main 2 questions. Okay, draw a baseline of 5.4 centimeters.
So sorry, sir. I got logged out.
Draw a baseline of 5.4. First question, 5.4 centimeters. BC is 5.4.
Answer done.
Done 5.4.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, BC is 5.4. And where should you draw the 75 degrees angle?
So on base.
On B, on angle B. Look here. Stop doing it. Look here. When you draw 75, 75 lies in between which two angles? 75 lies in between
So
60 and
between
60 and
60
90.
and 90.
So you have to draw 60 and 90. Let me just show you all. 90 degree you'll get somewhere here and 60 you'll get here. So in between is 75. You'll get somewhere here. Okay, just assume this. This is a rough diagram. 75 you get it here. This is 75 degrees line. Okay, now from B, what are the values we have? AB, right? How much is AB?
4.3.
So 4.3.
4.3. So this 75, wherever you get, use a protractor scale and measure 4.3. Okay, first draw 75 students. First draws BC is straight line 5.7. Let me construct BC.
So over.
Done? 4.5, right?
Yes.
Sorry, 5.7. Construct a baseline. Baseline is very important. 5.7.
So 5.4.
What is it, Mariana? Sorry, 5.4, right? Okay, 5.4. 5.4. This is BC. It is 5.4. Then construct 75 degrees. How do you construct 75? In between 90, 60 and 90.
60 and 90.
So base is 5.4. You can take 2.5 or 3 centimeters arc. Arc can be 2.5 or 3. Length of arc. Yes. How do you construct 60 like this, right? One
Yes.
angle, one mark gives 60 degrees. Then after 60 degrees, construct 90. In order to construct 90, we require 60 and 120. And once you will do it, you'll have to show me. If not, send the pic. Okay, later you'll have to show the diagram. Draw 90 degrees, 60 and 90.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, look at 90 degree where I place from this point from 61 and again from here. This is our 90 degrees. And 90 degrees, you can draw dotted line or straight line. You can draw dotted line to connect 90 degrees.
So what should we do after constructing 75?
I'll tell you. First, let me finish this 75. This is our 90 degrees line. Then 75 degrees. Look, place it here, students. Can you see the protractor compass where I placed it?
Yes.
Yeah, from there you're supposed to bisect. From 90 degrees line and 60 degrees line. From there, here. Okay, how many of you got this 75 degrees line?
So I
Any
got
doubt in
this.
75?
Sir, I got
Yeah,
it, sir.
75 now. Yeah, before drawing 75 line, before drawing 75, look here. We got 75 somewhere here. Just assume here. What is this value? From B, which value is getting connected? Which
So
alphabet?
A is getting connected.
A. What is the value?
So
4.
4.3
Okay,
centimeters.
from this point to this, wherever 75, keep your scale and draw 4.3 centimeters line. Because the next alphabet is A, right? AB. So AB is 4 point, how much is it? 4.3. Okay, look here, let me connect. Like this, keep your scale. Like this. And what's the length? Well, should draw. Extend the line. What's the length?
4.3.
Length of AB is 4.3. Look, do it along with me, student. Later you can watch the recordings. Do the rough work now. Later you can watch the recordings and do it in white sheet. 4.3. Did you all get 4.3 line?
Yes, sir.
It has to exactly match like this. From this point, look where I've kept the ruler. From this to 75 degrees, it has to be 4.3. Just draw a 4.3 line. Did you all get it like this?
Yes.
Yeah, next.
Yes, sir.
Till you're done, till you're 75 degrees line is 4.5. Next, which alphabet is left? We have done with AB, we have done with BC. What is left? What are the
Yes,
values?
sir.
No, no. What are the values left? CD and DA, right?
CD and yes.
Okay, take CD 5 centimeters, students. Take 5 centimeters. From C, take 5 centimeters, cut an arc like this. The next, where is DA? Keep it on A. What's the centimeter you have to take? 4.8. Did you understand this DC CD line? From C, take 5 centimeters and draw, cut an arc like this. Look, let me place, use the ruler. Take 5 centimeters.
So we need to place it on C and cut the arc, no, sir?
Yes. C. What's the
Yes.
reason? What's the reason?
Sir, because CD is 5
Yeah, C is
centimeters.
given, right? Yeah, CD is 5. So just take 5 centimeters and cut an arc. Starting it will be difficult, students. Once you understand the concept, it's very easy. You can easily score 7 to 8 marks from this chapter. Okay, let me take 5. Then you'll cut an arc 5 centimeters. So a random mark you should get somewhere like this. Did you draw arc like this?
Yes, sir.
From C to D. Okay, look here. From C, I've drawn an arc. Then what is the last value left? What's the last value?
DA is left.
DA,
4.
right? Where is A here? Where is A? From B, we have written A. From A, what is this? How many centimeters you have to cut from A?
4.8.
4.8. So open 4.8, measure, keep it on A, cut it like this. You get D. So this becomes a quadrilateral.
Sir, can you repeat this step once again, sir?
Which one?
The DA 4.8.
Okay, what is given? Till here, is it clear, Charlotte? Till C, did you get C? From C, did you cut D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the first point. A, B, B, C. Okay, C, D. Yeah, tell me the first point. What did we do first? What's the first thing we did?
So first we drew 75, like 60 degree, 90 and then
Without
75.
without the base, is it possible?
No, sir. We took the base.
Base. Okay, base is 5.4. Okay, base. Look, can you see 5.4? Where is base? Base, the blue one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, base is done. Base is done. Then what did we do? 75 degrees. We do 75 degrees.
We took 5 centimeter. I mean, we measured 5 centimeter and cut an arc.
No. What about BA? You forgot this BA line.
So, like, we drew 75 degree and then connected.
Yeah, 75 and connected a line, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that length?
So, 4.3, sir.
4.3. Can you see this 4.3 when this is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now which two values are left?
So, CD equals to 5 and DA equals to 4.8.
Okay, so we took CD, right? Next step by one. Next we took CD, and we from C we drew 5 centimeters line,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, what is
Yes.
left?
So, for DA 4.8.
Okay, DA. You know where is A, right? Where is A?
So, 4.3 that line.
No, no, right.
Sir, I've marked it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we know where is point A. Then you have to take what is DA.
4.8, sir.
Okay, from A take 4.8 and cut an arc like this. You get D. Look here, I'll show it here.
Okay, sir.
Look, what should DA be? What's the value of DA?
4.8, sir.
Okay, our A is here. This is A, point A. Then take 4.5. Is it 4.5? What is the value of
So,
DA?
4.8.
Okay, 4.5. 4.8. Take 4.8. Okay, where should I place this?
So,
On
point 8.
A, point A, and construct an arc.
Okay, sir.
Construct like this. Can you see this? I've constructed A, D here, AD. How many of you got this diagram?
Sir, I got.
Okay, then this will be our point D. Yeah, this is our point D, where I'm going to write this. Now connect all 4 points together, all 4 lines. This from here connect to this, and from here back to C. So this is our quadrilateral four-side, and you're supposed to write here. 75 degrees. And what are the values, students? How much is AD length of AD? What is the length of AD? Okay, this I'll show later. First, let me know whether you all got this diagram. 75 degrees A, B,
Sir, I
C, D.
got it, sir.
Okay, now I'll tell you what you're supposed to write. You get a complete diagram like this. Mark 75 degrees here and write all the values. What is AD? AD is 4.8. What about CD? CD is 5. This is our diagram. 4 or 5 marks question. I think they might give you for 4 marks. 4 marks question.
Sir, can you show that diagram, sir? Oh, okay.
First, we take base BC as 5.4. Only if you take BC, you will be able to draw 75 degrees line. Draw 75 degrees. After that, CD. Use one by one value, students. Then from C to D, cut an arc. Then again from A to D, cut another arc. Then join all 4 points. You get a quadrilateral. And this is the figure. You're supposed to write all the values. Have you written the values here? All the values?
Yes, sir.
Then later you will have to show. When I end the recording, you'll have to show me the construction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ABC 75 degrees, 4.3, 4.8 and 5. This question is similar to the second one. Second and this, it's the same. Okay, and for project, you'll have second question. Will you try the second question for homework?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how to check whether the diagram is correct, sir?
You use protractor, Mariana. Use protractor. Keep your protractor here. Check whether you got 75 degrees.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Protractor or compass?
Compass, sir.
Is this compass?
Protractor.
Yeah. 180 degrees. Protractor. Compasses which we use. Keep your protractor and check, students. Are you getting 75 degrees?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. 75 degree. Then use ruler. Use your ruler and check all the values. Is BC 5.4? Is BC 5.4?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Then next check CD. Check the value of CD. Check the value of CD. Then check the value of AB. Measure everything.
So for me, everything is correct, sir.
Then the diagram is perfect. Apart from that, still if you're not, if you have any doubt,
sir? I got
CD, what is the value in textbook, Mariana? Everything you ask, what's the value in textbook? What's the value of CD? 5, right? Yeah. Check whether you get 5 here.
Okay, sir.
You're getting 5. Anything 1 or 2 less or greater, no problem. For 5, if you're getting 5.2, no problem. If you're getting 5.1, no problem. Okay, 0.1 or 2, it's fine. Even let me check what I get. Even I get 5, exact 5. What's the reason? Why do I get exact 5? Because I told you to measure 5 centimeters and draw an arc, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, CD. So you'll definitely get 5. And still, if you want confirmation, you have to wait. You submit your project, ma'am will correct. Done. 75 degrees. First question. Some student already left. Is it? Okay, why? I think only 2 students have done so far. Tanishka, Akansha, and Marian, only 3.
No, I did it, sir.
Mariam done. Okay, Diyashri, Adia, Joanna, Sherlyn.
Sir,
Seven.
yes, sir. I made a few mistakes.
Do it, redo it. Do it again, Joanna.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I made a mistake.
I have to check. I have to check the construction. Look, for project, this is for 20 marks, right? It's for 20. And for
Yes,
main
sir.
exam, you'll get it for 8. So what's the total value of this chapter? What's the total marks? Around 25 to 28 marks. It's very easy to score. Minimum 25, maximum 28. If you'll take it too lenient, you don't give preference to this chapter, you'll definitely lose this. I think even for other section, they might give construction.
So I guess for all the sections, construction is for
Construction. So everyone can score 25. Minimum 25 guarantee. You can score full in project and 25 to 20 out of 100 marks. Only from this chapter you can score 25. Remaining 75 other chapters. So I'll be checking your notes now. Okay. First question is done. Second question. How do we solve the second question? Tell me. Later you all can do it. Do this for homework. 6. BC is equals to AB is 6. CD is equals to 4.5. BC is equals to AD, that is equals to 5. What about angle BCD? 60 degrees. Okay, which angle is 60 degrees, students? Which angle is 60?
So angle C, so.
Angle C. What shall I take the base as? Which one?
So,
So 4.5.
In this, there are two values. There are two. Can you see BC is equals to AD is equals to 5? What do you mean by this?
So both are
BC
5
is also
centimeters.
both are 5. So you can rewrite like this. You can rewrite as BC is equals to 5 and AD is 5. Okay. Now tell me which angle should be on the base? Angle C, right? Yeah. So which one shall I take? This as C and this as C. Which is greater out of CD and BC? Which is greater?
BC.
BC is greater.
So draw BC straight line. BC is 5. And where will you draw 60 degrees? On B or C? You draw 60 degrees. Which is in between?
On C.
On C, so.
So draw an arc like this. You cut. This becomes 60 degrees. What is the line you have to draw? What is the length? After C, where does C connect? BC is done. Can you see CD?
Oh, yes, so.
So from C, take 4.5 centimeters, you get D. This is 4.5. From D, which line do you draw from D?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. From D, you take 5 centimeters in scale, cut an arc. And which is left? Which one is left? AB is left. Then from B, take 6 centimeters, cut an arc, you get A. Join the diagram, you'll get it like this. This is 6, this is 5, and this is A. Will you do this for homework?
Yes, sir.
Try this for homework. Only this is difficult. Parallelogram, rectangle, other constructions are easy. We'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
First main, fourth question, C75. Okay. Even the fourth one I'll explain. You'll have to do it. Take this diagram. This is a rough diagram. Yes, Sherlin, you can leave Sherlin. The last part you can watch recordings and you can try it for homework. Is Sherlin online? The voice is not audible, Sherlin. You can leave.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll just ask my mom.
Take this, students. This is the rough diagram of first main, second question. And this is there for your project, right?
Yes, sir.
Tanishka. Who else? Tanishka.
Accounts.
Akash.
So
Tanisha left. Mariana. You'll have to redo
So
this.
for Mariana and me has different.
Okay, different. Fine. But this, you'll definitely have this. This is there for project as well as for exam. Okay, so right hand side, you have to choose the base properly and construct. Shall I erase this? I'll tell you all how to draw the first main, fourth one. We'll end the class. First main, sixth one. Yes.
Sir, I'll go tomorrow, sir.
tomorrow? Any of this is done, Selin? Any of this is done? Fine. And if you're attending tomorrow, no problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me later. Shall I show you all the next question? How to do the next one? All of you all?
Yes, sir.
Tanishka and Aparna, another 5 minutes, student. You'll have to attend and leave.
No, it's okay, sir. I'll attend.
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, because I'm teaching for you all, and in the beginning you told you'll have to leave at 6:40. Okay, so first question, second is done. Which is the next one? Yeah, Mariana, read out the next question, fourth one.
AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 6.5 centimeter, CD is equals to 4.8 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree and angle C is 120 degree.
120 degrees. Okay, shall we construct this? Shall we try this? Fourth question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the second one you will do it for homework. We'll try this. This, how many angles does it have? How many angles? How many angles are given?
So, two, sir.
Angles, right? Okay, so let me draw rough. Look, two angles B and C. So what should the base consist of? Which 2 points?
So, angle B and angle C, so
Not
6.5.
angle. Yeah, what is B and C? So shall I take this 6.5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the angle you have to draw at angle B?
So, 75 degrees.
75. And angle C?
So, 120 degrees.
120. So this will be 60, this will be 120. Your diagram, you will get 120 like this and 75 like this. Yeah, draw the students. We'll try. Draw BC 6.5 centimeter straight line. Are others doing it? Diyashri,
Yes, sir.
E.
I'm doing it, sir. I'm doing it.
Last question. And how many questions are left? Second main, we have 2 questions, and third main, 2, fourth main. Another 6 questions left. So BC is 75 and 120. Yeah, Adya, why did I take BC line? Why didn't I take AB and CD? What's the reason?
So because 6.5 is greater than all the values, sir.
Wrong. That's not the actual reason. Okay, correct. 6.5 is greater, but there is angles given, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I take AB, will I be able to construct angles?
No, sir.
For B, 75 is possible, but for C, can I
But
construct somewhere?
no, sir, you can't, sir. That's
Where should we construct angles? On the base.
yes, sir.
Okay, angles should be constructed on the base. That's the reason we took BC. First check BC, student, then you can check the length, whether 6.5 is greater or other values. Okay, do it quickly. 6.5, then we have angle 75. Let me draw this.
Sir, if it's 6.5, we can take 4 now, sir.
Yeah, 4 is fine. 6 point, I think even 3 is fine, Adya. You take bigger values, your arc will become big. 6.5. Okay, Dinesh, what's the next step? I've drawn 6.5 here. Next.
Sir, next step we need to take half of 6.5 and draw 60 degrees.
60 degree where? 60?
Sir, we need to take half of 6.5.
60 degree, 75 and 120, right?
Sir, yes, sir. Sorry.
Correct. 65. Yes. Sorry, 60.
Sir,
Take
60 degrees
take it
arc,
as
sir.
2.5 or 3 students. Don't take more than that. Take it as 3. Half doesn't mean exact half. Okay, you can take 2.5 or 3 is also fine. So construct 75 on B. Construct 75 on B. To construct 75, we need 60 and 90.
So,
Yes, Mariana.
sir, I forgot the name. So that pencil thing, sir.
Pencil, red pencil is used.
No, sir. What do you call it?
Pencil thing, compass, right?
So yes, sir.
In compass and protractor.
Sir, how many centimeters should that be, sir?
What is the base length?
6.5, sir.
Okay, it should be less than 6, half of it. It can be 3 or less than that. Usually they take only 2.5 and 3, Mariana. So you can take 2.5 or 3.
Okay, sir.
Draw 75 on B and 120 on C, students.
So what is AT, sir? The value of the line.
Check it in textbook, Tanishka. What is AB, right?
The AD, sir.
Okay. No, you don't have to draw AD. Look, without AD you can connect. First draw 75. And what is the length of
So I
AD?
finished it, so I got a diagram, sir.
You got this one, AB as
So
5.
I constructed the whole
Whole thing
quadrilateral.
is done. Okay, this is 60 and 120. Are you getting diagram like this, somewhat like this?
Yes, sir.
Outside. You construct. Now you calculate. I mean, you measure. Which one did you ask?
So AD, sir.
AD. You measure it using scale. Your output should be like this. Diagram should be like this. Write 120 here. Write 75 here. And write all the values. What is CD given? CD is 4.8 and AB is 5. Write centimeters. 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 4.8 centimeters. And measure AD, students. Okay, did you all get 75 here? Let me finish 75.
So yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then draw 120 quickly. Draw 120. Other 5 minutes left. Look, I drew 75 here. Then what is the length from B to A? What's the length? What is AB? What is AB, students?
So
So
AB
5
is 5
centimeters.
centimeters, sir.
5 centimeters. So keep your scale like this. In this position, draw 5 centimeters line. So here the concept is you have to understand rough diagram. You have to know how to construct a rough diagram. AB is 5. Look, it can be exactly on the arc or it can extend greater. It depends on the length given. AB is 5. Let me write A here. Then from A to D, what's the value of A to D? A to D is not given. Okay, C to D, what's the value length of C to D?
4.8.
What's the length? Yes, we did AB is done, BC is done, one value is left, CD. CD is 4.8. Take 4.8 centimeters in your protractor, sorry, in your compass. .8.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Done,
take
sir.
4.8 and draw a random arc. Then connect from that, from A you connect. Let me,
So you should draw 120 also.
sorry, 120 degrees. Yeah, draw 120. I forgot that. Draw 120.
So we can take 2.5 also.
2.5 or 3, Mariana. Or keep it as 2.5 for all the diagrams. Irrespective of base value, keep it 2.5 and draw.
Okay.
So this is 60. Then how do you draw 120? From 60 you draw another arc, you get 120. Right? And what is this distance? What is the length of CD? What's the length of CD?
So 4.8 centimeters.
4.8.
4.8. So from C, yeah, keep once you draw 120 degrees, look. Whoever is done till 120, look at the screen. From C, keep it in a straight line. And it has to join the point. Connect the point 4.8 centimeters. Okay, go through the recordings and practice, students. In construction, I can't solve all the questions. It's difficult. Okay, if it was on paper or board, I could have drawn it. Using this software, it's very difficult to construct. Okay, I'm struggling to place the scale and all these things. 4.8. The length is 4.8. Did you get 4.8 like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now what you do is just join the point A to D. Just draw a straight line from A to D. That's it. So I got a quadrilateral. Okay, through this software, it's very difficult for me to draw. And write all the values. This is 4.8. How much is AB? What's the value of AB?
75 degrees.
Length. I'm asking the length.
So
5
5
centimeters.
centimeters.
5. Okay, now measure AD, students. Check what you all got for AD.
So I got 8 centimeters, sir.
Okay, let me check. Each one will get different values, so don't
So
have to worry.
7.6 centimeters. So
Yeah, 7.6, 7.5, 8.3, 8.2. It depends on how
So
accurate.
7.6 centimeters, sir.
I got
I
around
got
7.
7.9.
Good. Okay, so it depends. If your pencil is sharp and all the values, angles are correct, you'll get perfect value.
So I got 8.
8. I got around 7.7, I guess. Yeah, 7.7.
So 8 is too much, sir.
No, anything, look, 7 points. There's no accurate value for this, Mariana. Okay, there's no accurate value.
Sir,
If anywhere between 7.5 to 8.3 or 8.5 is fine. The length 7.5 to 8.5, it's fine. You should get. I got around 7 point. No, how much did I get? 7.7. 7.7 centimeters. But that doesn't matter. Okay, whether it's 8, 8.1, at the end you have to get a diagram like this. Did you get a quadrilateral, four sides?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 7.7. It can be 7.7, 8, 8.1, 8.2, anything. Done?
Yes, sir.
Construction. Okay, so try the first main, third one, second. Okay, second one for homework. Third one is done. Tomorrow we'll continue the fourth, fifth remaining questions.
Sir, first main, third one.
First main, third one, Mariana.
Yes.
Okay, and others you will do it. Tanishka, Akansha, and Serisha is left. Dhriti,
Ritik,
Diyashri.
Bhushan,
Yeah,
Diya.
write it in a plain
Yes.
sheet, student. A4 sheet, right? Yeah, do
Yes.
it later. You can watch the recording and draw it on A4 sheet. Fine.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll
sir.
stop.